Printmaking is basically when you make a artwork and you want to make it again, but you want to make a copy basically, and you don't want to just all the hard work you just did all over again. So you can use printmaking. So we had to make 3 prints. So in the first print, it was very light, and I saw girls work. In the first print only, it was very dark. It was like looking good, and like our teacher appreciated her. She just gave me feedback like press it more hard in the middle side, and in my next one it was quite good, but in the middle it was not okay. The third one was even better. It was everywhere dark. So that's how I reached to my classmate. Like in this unit I have learned about the processes of printmaking. Like I have learned the process of relief, which is our unit. Right now we are doing relief printing. So we had to make a drawing, and I made a beautiful drawing, and I printed it with black, blue and red. It's so fun. And I also learned some new words which I did not know, like printmaking itself. I did not know printmaking meaning. I thought it was like just printing, not making.